prenderam ele, cara.
Olha lá ele lá, ó. Vem,
Ah, tá vindo? Cadê?
tá vindo aqui, ó. Tá vindo aqui por baixo. Olha ele virando. Olha ele lá, ó.
Nossa senhora.
São ladrão.
Meu Deus.
In the mirror on her wall, she gets a standing ovation at every shower curtain call, and she becomes a pop star in the safety of her car, and then she falls to pieces at the karaoke bar. She's perfect until the lights go on, and then it all goes wrong, 'cause now she's not so perfect. She can shake it just like J-Lo,